Hi, I'm Liam. Welcome back. Today, you'll spend a busy Monday with Anna and me. You'll hear natural English at home, at work, and around our neighborhood. Let's get started.
Morning. You're usually up before me.
I know. I must have slept through my alarm.
Long weekend?
Apparently. Now I'm paying for it.
What's wrong?
I can't find my phone anywhere. I could have sworn I left it on the nightstand.
Did you check your backpack?
Twice.
How about the couch?
No luck.
Well, it's under your pillow.
You're kidding.
You must have been exhausted.
I guess I needed the sleep.
Take a breath. You've still got time.
Thanks. I needed to hear that. You've got to be kidding.
What happened?
I completely forgot about this.
Yesterday's coffee?
Yeah. I spilled it before we packed up the campsite.
Looks like it.
I was planning to wear this today.
Leave it with me. I'll stop by the dry cleaners before work.
Are you sure?
Of course. Just wear your navy jacket instead.
You just saved my morning.
Go impress your client.
I'll do my best.
I know you will.
Good morning, Liam. Thanks for coming in.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Help yourself to some coffee.
Don't mind if I do. Thanks.
How was your holiday weekend?
It was great. My wife and I finally went camping.
Nice. Hopefully, the weather cooperated.
It couldn't have been better.
Glad to hear it.
Before we get started, I'd love to hear what's been keeping your team busy lately.
Actually, that's exactly what we'd like to discuss.
That wraps up the presentation. I know I've covered a lot. What questions can I answer for you?
I have one. How flexible is the timeline?
Very flexible. We'll adjust it to fit your schedule.
Good to know.
Who will be our main point of contact?
That'll be me. I'll make sure you're updated every step of the way.
Perfect.
Anything else on your mind?
Not at the moment. This looks very promising.
I'm glad to hear that.
Good morning. What can I do for you today?
I'd like to have this jacket cleaned. There's a coffee stain on the left sleeve.
Let me take a look. We'll do everything we can.
I appreciate that.
Has the stain been there long?
Just since yesterday.
That's good. Fresh stains are usually easier to remove.
That's a relief.
Can I get your name?
Anna Carter.
It should be ready Thursday afternoon.
Perfect. Thank you.
Still recovering from the holiday weekend?
A little. Camping is fun, but sleeping in my own bed feels pretty nice.
I couldn't agree more. Did you enjoy the fireworks?
They were beautiful. Definitely worth staying up late.
Sounds like you had a great weekend.
We really did. Now it's back to reality.
At least it's a short week.
That's true.
Want to grab lunch?
Sure. I could use a break.
There's a new cafe around the corner. Have you tried it yet?
Not yet. Is it good?
Their sandwiches are amazing.
Sounds like we're going there.
So, how's your first month been?
Honestly, better than I expected. Everyone's been really welcoming.
You fit right in.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Welcome back. Picking something up?
Yes, I'm here for the jacket I dropped off.
Can I see your claim ticket?
Here you go.
Thanks. Just a second. Good news! We were able to remove the stain completely.
That's wonderful. My husband will be so happy.
We're always glad when we can save a favorite jacket.
You definitely did. Thanks again.
Hey, I'm home.
Welcome back. How'd the presentation go?
Better than I expected. The clients asked some great questions.
That's always a good sign.
Exactly. I think the meeting went really well.
I'm happy to hear that.
How about your day?
I picked up your jacket. Good as new.
Seriously? You're amazing.
Don't get coffee on it again. Funny how today started?
Yeah, this morning felt like everything was going wrong.
And now?
Now it feels like one of those days we'll laugh about later.
Life has a way of working itself out.
It really does.
You know, I'm starting to feel like we belong here.
I was thinking the same thing.
Everyone we've met has been so kind.
Maybe that's the best part about moving here.
New place, new friends, new memories.
And hopefully, a lot more good Mondays.
I'd like that.
Now, try listening at natural speed. Listen carefully.
Funny how today started.
Yeah. This morning felt like everything was going wrong.
And now?
Now it feels like one of those days we'll laugh about later.
Life has a way of working itself out.
Yeah, it really does.
I'm starting to feel like we belong here.
I was thinking the same thing.
Everyone we've met has been so kind.
Maybe that's the best part about moving here.
New place, new friends.
And hopefully, a lot more good Mondays.
I'd like that.
Great job. Now let's listen to the conversation one more time at natural speed without subtitles. Don't worry if you miss a few words. Just focus on the main ideas and enjoy the conversation.
Funny how today started.
Yeah, this morning felt like everything was going wrong.
And now?
Now it feels like one of those days we'll laugh about later.
Life has a way of working itself out.
Yeah, it really does.
I'm starting to feel like we belong here.
I was thinking the same thing.
Everyone we've met has been so kind.
Maybe that's the best part about moving here.
New place, new friends.
And hopefully, a lot more good Mondays.
I'd like that.
How much did you understand? Did you catch every word? If not, listen again and keep practicing.